this is it. You can always turn your flame off right at this point. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of when we dry them up, too cool. Not go too deep, you know. Yeah, you have to watch Joe, you know. Our troops, see that? Apple cider vinegar and our troops. Come up right, make them get saturated in the gravy and all of that. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a jerk flavored chicken chow mein. So the ingredients that I have for these, of course, is my chicken, boneless, skinless chicken, properly cleaned and washed. I have here some stir-fried noodles, and I had cooked them ahead of time because I want them to be dry like this. I have also gone ahead and break them up into smaller pieces. When you do the noodles and they're whole, sometimes when you're trying to get everything incorporated, for me it does not go through fully. So this is just my option. You don't have to, but if you feel you want to try it like how I'm doing it, you can go ahead. So my noodles have been cooked and they have been rinsed. I haven't put any oil. I want them dry like this. Okay, stir-fried noodles I've used. You can easily eat these. Yeah, you know, if you have no chopstick nor them something or whatever. My chicken, I have some chopped garlic, not really finely chopped. I have in here some green scallions, I have red bell peppers, and I have yellow. I have some carrot pieces. Okay, also over here, I have some pak choy being drained. Washed and being drained over here. Now, I am going to be seasoning my chicken. I'm going to be using this dry jerk from the Sauce Boss. I think it's one of our latest line stuff in our line of jerk. It's one of our latest products. And can I tell you, this is to die for. So I'm going to be flavoring up my chicken with some dry jerk. So I'll be using, this is about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken. Yeah, this is 1 pound. So I am putting about a teaspoon of this dry jerk, because at the end I'll be pepping it up with a little more. I want to finish with that sort of jerk flavor. To this I am going to be putting some cumin. Remember to go easy on the cumin, it's strong, but it, you know, it nice, have a nice flavor there. So I'm going to be putting about a quarter of a teaspoon. Listen to me, a quarter of a teaspoon, or probably 1/8 of cumin, because this cumin thing, yeah, it's really strong. I'm gonna be using some Worcestershire sauce. This is new, so I'll go get it. A little dash of Worcestershire. Right on over here, I've got a skillet, and I'm gonna heat it really like on high, because I'm gonna be stir frying of this chicken here. So I'm not gonna leave anything to marinate. I'm just gonna rub it up with this here, and I'm gonna let that come to a really high sizzle. Next clip. I am back, and I am right there. Could be a little hotter, so I'm gonna open out my pieces. Try to do something wide. You don't want to have them all clustered. And I'm gonna be doing it on the high, stirring around until you can see that it is almost cooked. That will take probably another 5 minutes or 4. So I'm gonna have it like this. Scattering it out while you cook and all of that. So I'll show you what it looks like when you have to move it. This is an easy dish. The preparation takes the preparation takes most of the time. So that's why I have to do this ahead of time, because my kitchen is really hot. I mean, everybody know to prepare them bell peppers, prepare it the way you want. Carrot sticks, julienne carrot, or how you want to do it. I'm gonna add my garlic right now. I didn't want to add it from the beginning because I don't want them getting burned. So I can add it right there. You notice I did not put any salt. No, I'm not put any salt because the jerk don't have salt in there. I know that. But the cumin might have a little salty taste. I'm not sure. I think so. And then the Worcestershire, it carries a good level of salty taste. So we are going to deal with it on that level here for now. So when we are at the point when we are supposed to add our next ingredients, we will come, or I think I removed these. Yeah, I'm so at family, please see with me. So when we are at that stage, I'll return. Remember to keep it wide. So family, I have removed my chicken. Let me get my flame down a bit. And this is how you want the chicken looking. Not too dry and all of that and burn up. So the next thing, in this very same skillet, I'm going to be putting in my carrot pieces. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with them. I'm going to loosen them out and let them come to like a saute, but on a lower heat this time. So we're going to do this, moving it around a few times, and this is going to be less of a time. It's going to be less than the chicken. Okay? So back on, peppers and scallions right in. And there goes that pretty color. For me, right now, I'm putting my noodles because I want to get my noodles all smocked up in this flavor in the bottom of the pot. So I don't think I'll be putting all. I think I have made more than I really needed. So I'm going to be adding my noodles right here. And I'm going to need something to help me to put my noodles and my vegetable together. So I'm putting my noodles now because I want to get the noodle all mopped up in this niceness from the bottom of the skillet. And it smells so good. Look at that prettiness. Yeah, get it all mopped up. We don't want them get too, yeah. Get your noodles all mopped up in this niceness. Okay? I'm going to put in my chicken. I'm going to return my chicken with all that juice. And as I return my chicken, I'm going to up my flame. Upping my flame at this point, getting everybody all incorporated in this nice juice inside here. Okay, look at that. Now it's time for my pak choy, or if you have whatever you want to have, it's time for my leafy vegetables. Okay, so now I'm going to use something to just get my veggies in, like this tongue here. I want to get my veggies all mopped in too, and I want you to see what I'm doing. We're going to do this until our green leafy vegetables are like partially cooked and return. I'm getting them all mopped in this nice flavor there at the bottom. As they cook, they will dwindle, and then we'll see everything else coming up. This is the beauty of this chicken chow mein. All in, and I'm gonna put a little extra of this dry jerk. I leave the number, I leave the link that you can get onto the sauce bar Cumin. I can tell you, family, you would never, and go easy with it when you get it, it's really strong. So you'll never see me put any salt. So I'm just gonna add a little, nothing too harsh at this point. So let us scrub it off right here now with about a spoon of this light soy sauce, a teaspoon that is. There we go, tablespoon, I'm sorry. And this is it. You can always turn your flame off right at this point. There you have it. Jerk flavor, the chicken chow mein. Everything is so nice. Everything is just so good. Everything is just so awesome. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this. I'll be presenting for you in the next clip. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, it is jerk flavored chicken chow mein done just for you. You can do it too in the comfort of your very own kitchen. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. Remember to give this video a like if you so think it deserves it. Remember to make sure that you are subscribed. When you do subscribe, click the notification bell, go right to the right, press on the option that says all. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I go live or when I post a video. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Thank you all so much. Remember to be you, do you. Most of all, love you. We have our merch. We have got our PayPal. We have got our Patreon. All the information to everything. There's a number for me that if you want to get on to me for not too much of a hanky-panky reasons, it is there in the description of this and all my videos and live. Love you.